Hi, my name is Gordon. I'm a legal intern with Lexis and Company. In this video, I'll be discussing the test of partnership. Section 6 of the Indian Partnership Act provides the mode of determining the existence of a partnership, and the following are the provisions. Firstly, while determining whether an association of persons is a firm or if a person is a partner to a firm, the real relation shown by the relevant facts between the parties must be examined. Sharing profits from property held by persons jointly does not automatically qualify such persons as partners. A person can hold a receipt of the share in profits or receipt of payment that is contingent upon the profits, but that does not make him a partner. And the following are such persons: servant or agent who receive remuneration or commission, widow or child of a deceased partner who receives an annuity, money lender to the partnership business, and the previous owner or part owner who has contributed for the sale of the goodwill of the business or share of it. Now we'll discuss the real criteria for determining partnership, and it is clear from section 6 that the sharing of profits is not the ultimate test for determining whether a partnership exists. The existence of a partnership depends on actual intention of the parties and the contract drawn up by them. In some cases, an alleged partner might have a share in the profits of the business, but that does not by default make him a partner. The earlier position was that the share of profits is a criteria for determining partnership, as held in the case of Bow versus Carver. The House of Lords overruled this decision in the case of Cox versus Hickman. In this case, Lord Cranworth held that the real test of partnership is mutual agency among the members of the particular association. However, the factor of share of profits cannot be eliminated. Share of profits is certainly an important piece of evidence and helps to determine the existence of a partnership, but that is not the ultimate test. And that brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.